7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.
Veiknai, skaudus pralaimėjimas Vitorijai, kaip viskas iš tavo perspektyvos atrodo?
Tough loss for sure. I think we battled hard to stay in the game. I think first half we didn't come out with the urgency we needed to, and then down the stretch they made a couple tough shots and we missed a couple easy ones. So just kind of how it goes sometimes.
Gerai sakė, kad šiandien tiesiog pritrūko galbūt to vieno svarbaus metimo, kuris galbūt neįkrito, galbūt Sirvydis, kai nepataikė. Kaip iš tavo perspektyvos atrodo tos paskutinės atakos, kaip Francisko galbūt ten blokuotas tas pasiveržimas, Sirvydžio laisvas metimas?
I don't think it comes down really to those possessions. Of course, if we would have hit those, we probably would have won, but it's about taking care of what we need to take care of before those possessions and giving ourselves more breathing room so it doesn't have to come down to that.
Jeigu neklystu, 3 iš 21 tritaškio šiandien pataikė Žalgiris. Kiek tai skausminga šiandien buvo komandos žaidimų?
Yeah, I mean games like that will happen where we miss shots and good shots too, where we typically make. But I think it was some other things where, turnover here, a mislap on defense. I think those are the main things to take away because the shooting's gonna always be there. Some days we might hit them, some days we might not, but we gotta, find other ways to win.
Kovoti kamuoliai 44-32 laimėti. Ar žvelgtum tai kaip pozityvą, kad realiai tas rodiklis, kuriame atsispindi komandos energija, šiandien buvo labai pozityvus?
I think it definitely the rebounding shows the effort that we had today, and I think that's something we should be proud of. But at the end of the day, we didn't win the game, and that's what matters the most is the result. So we got to get back in the lab and try to improve.
Lieka 6 rungtynės Eurolygos reguliariajam sezone. Su kokiu mentalitetu turi būti Žalgiris, kad palaikyti tą viltį dar gyvą, ypač po tokios skaudžių momentų?
We got to take it game by game. We can't look, further than one game. So just take it day by day. Next thing for us is practice, and that's what we got to focus on.
Sekmadienį laukia dar vienas nelengvas iššūkis Vilniaus Rytas, LKL derbis. Kaip galbūt sureagavai į tai, ką Rytas darė rinkoje pastaruoju metu pasirašydamas 2 žaidėjus ir ko laukia sekmadienį?
Definitely, a tough environment, big rivalry game. So we got to come in with the mentality of being more physical, bringing more energy, and doing the little things better than them.
7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet. 7bet lažybos. 7bet.
Dalyvavimas azartiniuose lošimuose gali sukelti priklausomybę.